Jason, you did 3 different trial protocols. And so what we're seeing here is your corn over corn trial. I have a picture here, not to get it confused, but we did actually do a 3-product trial. That's actually going to be on the last slide. But I guess we'll talk about what RDX-N is, right? So RDX-N, liquid product, you can see that right there, comes in 2.5 gallon jugs or totes. We're talking 16 to 32 ounces, super low use rate that goes in season. And we've got the patent on the botanical extract, which is really the powerhouse behind what this product is doing. And so unlike other nutrient use efficiency products, the mode of action for this product is actually inside the plant. And what I mean by that is when the plant is taking in nitrate, nitrogen, and metabolizing that inside the cell, the botanical extract in this jug is actually allowing that metabolism to increase and metabolize up to 50%. So depending on what you're doing, whether you've got a high management field and you're going for yield, or you want to actually replace up to 50%, and you'll talk a little bit about that, we're driving efficiency at a cellular level, I would say from the inside out at a plant level, to be able to increase that nitrogen metabolism rate. So that's kind of the simple kind of 10,000 foot view, and folks can learn more at our website. But I guess talk about this specific trial here and what we're trying to achieve.
Well, everything we do, we put a normal grower standard in. So you see on the left-hand side of the slide there, you'll see the control, which in this case for corn after corn, this has been continuous corn for, I believe, 8 years now straight. And so we do have some irrigation on the farm, and we tend to typically put that in corn every year. But for that corn, we're looking at 240 pounds of N. That's our 100% rate. And then we look at a 50-pound reduction just to see what happens if we short the plant nitrogen. In this case, in this corn after corn trial, we lost 22.2 bushel by putting on less nitrogen. And I think that's important to know to figure out if we were over applying nitrogen or not. And in this case, we lowered the nitrogen and we lost yield. And if you look at the slide underneath it, that 22.2 bushel loss, that equated to $63 per acre loss by not having enough nitrogen there. So the next step is, okay, we're still going to reduce our nitrogen by that 50 pounds, but we're going to add the Redox, RDX-N into it. And look what happened to yield. Yield just came right back up, and we're within 2.1 bushel of our normal grower standard. You look at the dollars and cents of it, I've got my nitrogen savings. I got 50 pounds less nitrogen that I had to buy and I had to apply. I put the RDX-N in, and I ended up making $8.23. Now I look at that and say, did lowering nitrogen cost me any money? In this case, no, it did not. I saved 50 pounds. I bought the RDX-N, and I ended up making an additional $8.23 per acre. The last part of the last treatment in the trial was using a full rate of nitrogen, that 240 pounds, adding the RDX-N. There was really no yield difference. It was only a third of a bushel difference, but with the cost of the RDX-N, we lost a little bit of money there. But this kind of shows me where I'm at in this corn after corn field. First year data for us looking at this, I feel like I can reduce some of my nitrogen, put the RDX-N in, and I'm not missing a beat. I'm actually making a few extra dollars by doing it. So environmentally, it's a great thing, putting less nitrogen on. Agronomically, I'm making more money on a per acre basis. This is a win-win.